Welcome to the Autel Training Academy. I'm John Amato. Today I'm going to show you Autel's memory saver, the BTMS. It's a low-cost but highly valued member of Autel's new battery analysis and maintenance product line. And you're going to want this in your shop even if you don't do a high volume of battery replacements. Why? Just think of the number of regular repairs you do that require the detachment or removal of the battery. And what happens when the battery is disconnected? Well, the vehicle's power control module, or PCM, and other vehicle control modules no longer have voltage and the system's adaptive memory settings are wiped clean. Then when the battery is reconnected to the vehicle, depending on its make, model, and year, all the adjustments the PCM has learned over time are gone, possibly resulting in drivability or starting issues. Maybe the steering angle sensor needs to be reset. Gone too may be the settings or coding for power accessory doors, sunroofs, or windows. Loss of air conditioning. Let's not even talk about the infotainment system. And of course, adjustments can be relearned and codes could be reset, but your time and talents can certainly be better used. So let's take a look at Autel's memory saver. It's a very simple device. 2 alligator clips on the one end, negative and positive, and a standard OBDII connection on the other. Alternate manufacturers' products use a 12-volt cigarette lighter connection to the vehicle that plugs into the vehicle's cigarette lighter or into a 12-volt port on the vehicle. The problem with that method is many vehicles' 12-volt ports might only work if the vehicle is on, or will shut off after 30 minutes. Autel's use of the OBDII connection ensures that the vehicle's systems will be powered on and those codes, settings, and adjustments will be maintained no matter how long the repair process. Another nice feature of our memory saver when compared to the other brands is the presence of a voltage meter that tests the backup battery to ensure it has enough voltage for the job. The meter also works to detect reverse polarity in the case that the positive clamp was mistakenly placed on the negative terminal and vice versa. When detected, the BTMS stops the flow of electrons and prevents damage to the battery and the vehicle's electronics. Let me give you a quick overview of the product in action. First, we're going to test our backup 12-volt battery. On the memory saver, there are 3 LEDs. All 3 LEDs will light green if the battery has sufficient voltage, or at least 10 volts. This will power the vehicle and maintain the codes and settings. If the center LED was to light red, that would tell us that the battery is below 10 volts and is insufficient to act as our backup. Okay, now it's time to connect to the vehicle. Ensure that the vehicle is powered off. Plug the cable into the OBDII port. 2 LEDs will light green when connected successfully. That's it. We can detach, remove, or replace the existing vehicle battery and be confident that when we start the vehicle, all of those settings vital to the operation of the car still remain, including the most important thing, our radio presets. Thanks for watching. Make sure you visit Autel.com if you have any questions about this or any of Autel's tools.